This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on reading a classical repertoire piece in tablature. Of course, the focus of this lesson series is reading these melodies written in tablature, but also working on our ability to play the guitar. And this is a fun and challenging piece that comes from the fun and challenging repertoire found at the back of the Tablature Book, which is part of my Method Book series. So in the Tablature Book, we're going to be on pages 150 and 151 doing song number 195, which is a Carulli etude, an etude that we normally do in the classical style with our fingers, but here we're using a pick to play this one, and that's really, really great. We've been doing a lot of this sort of thing lately because it really helps us lock in our technique on the guitar, and these are some fun pieces. We're going to play this right along with drums accompaniment, which will help us stay in time, but it also just makes it kind of fun to play that little duet with the drums. So you and I are going to play the melody right along with the drums. It's going to be great. This song is going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. You're going to want to watch, there's a lot of first and second ending repeats, so we play 8 bars and then we do those 8 bars again all the way through. We've got these repeats all the way through, every 8 bars sort of happening twice. So we get kind of a 16 bar sections there happening all throughout the piece. And with this one, there are lots of places where we've got arpeggios. So you can put your whole hand down in the left hand. When we see that we're playing one string to the next, we're not playing multiple notes on the same string, we could put our fingers down and just play those. We've done this sort of thing before. There's also a few places with a little slur, like we begin with a slur. That little arched line tells us we're just going to pluck the first note and then finger the second note. We have that with our very first figure in the song. So those are a couple things we're going to see. We've also got these little jumps as we move from one note to the next. These are really great places where we're working these big jumps, and I missed that one there, but those are really good for working our right hand. So lots of cool things in this one. As I mentioned, as I always mention, because this is how we do it, we're going to do this one twice, first at that slower tempo and then at that faster tempo. So let's just go ahead and play this. All right, hope you're having fun with this. Of course, as we continue through this lesson series, we're going to be finishing up with the last few songs found in the Tablature Book, which are also part of this fun and challenging repertoire portion found at the back. So we've got just 4 more songs that we haven't done yet, so each of these videos that'll come out will be covering each of those songs, and it's going to be fun. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.